How do I handle my boxer's fear of loud noises? Loud noises can be very distressing for dogs, especially those with sensitive temperaments like boxers. Whether it's fireworks, thunderstorms, or loud construction noises, many boxer owners find themselves struggling to help their furry friends feel calm and secure during these anxiety-inducing situations. In this article, we will explore some effective strategies for handling your boxer's fear of loud noises. 1. Understand the root cause. The first step in addressing your boxer's fear is to understand where it stems from. Boxers, like many other dog breeds, have an innate sensitivity to loud noises due to their keen sense of hearing. Additionally, fear of loud noises can be a learned behavior if your dog has had a negative experience in the past. Identify the cause of your boxer's fear to better tailor your approach. 2. Provide a safe space. Create a designated safe space for your boxer where they can retreat to when they feel anxious. This could be a quiet room or a crate covered with a blanket to block out noise. Ensure the area is comfortable and familiar to your dog, with their bed, toys, and water nearby. Teach your boxer that this is their safe haven by encouraging them to spend time there during calm moments. 3. Counterconditioning. Counterconditioning involves changing your dog's emotional response to loud noises by associating them with positive experiences. For example, if your boxer is afraid of thunderstorms, you can pair the sound of thunder with something enjoyable such as a treat or playtime. Gradually increase the volume of the loud noise while continuing to reward your dog. Over time, your boxer may start to associate the once feared sound with positive things. For distraction techniques, during loud noises, distract your boxer with interactive toys or puzzle feeders. Engaging their minds in a stimulating activity can help shift their focus away from the fear-inducing sounds. Experiment with different toys and treats to find what captures your boxer's attention the most. This will not only provide a temporary distraction, but also help instill positive associations with loud noises. 5. Calming products. There are various calming products available in the market that can help alleviate your boxer's anxiety during loud noises. Adaptyl pheromone diffusers, anxiety wraps, and calming supplements are just a few examples. Consult with your veterinarian to find the most suitable option for your boxer. Remember, these products are meant to complement behavioral training, not replace it. 6. Gradual desensitization. Gradual desensitization involves exposing your boxer to increasingly louder noises in a controlled and positive way. Start by playing recordings of the feared sound at a very low volume while your dog is relaxed. Reward calm behavior and gradually increase the volume over time. This method allows your boxer to develop a tolerance for loud noises without triggering fear. 7. Seek professional help. If your boxer's fear of loud noises is severe or persistent, it may be beneficial to seek the assistance of a professional dog trainer or animal behaviorist. These experts can provide you with personalized guidance and techniques tailored to your dog's specific needs. They will also help you address any underlying anxiety or fear-related issues your boxer may have. In conclusion, handling a boxer's fear of loud noises requires patience, understanding, and a gradual approach. By creating a safe space, using counterconditioning techniques, providing distractions, and considering calming products, you can help your boxer feel more secure during loud noise events. Remember to consult with professionals if needed and always prioritize your dog's well-being. With time and consistent effort, you can help your boxer overcome their fear and lead a happier, less anxious life.